A drum 700 millimeters in diameter and filled with water has a vertical pipe 20 millimeters in diameter attached to the top. How many newtons of water must be poured into the pipe to exert a force of 6,500 newtons on top of the drum? So, meron kang drum dito na 700 millimeters in diameter or 0.7 meters in diameter. Tapos, nag-attach dito ng pipe na 20 mm or 0.02 meters yung diameter. So, yung inaas ng question, how many newtons of water must be poured into the pipe? So, yung equation doon na nagka-come up sa mind is yung ilan ba yung newtons na napi-feel sa buong volume nung pipe plus drum na to. So, yung equation doon is yung mass over volume, no? Yung newtons over cubic meter. So, yung ano doon, yung formula doon is unit weight. Unit weight equals mass over volume. Tapos, yung another formula is yung pressure naman. So, since nabigyan nga tayo ng force dito, pwede nating magamit yung P equals force over area. So, ayun. Actually, makukuha natin yung pressure kasi meron na tayong force. Tapos, meron din tayong specs para makuha natin yung area. Another formula for pressure is P equals unit weight times H. Ginagawa kong YX, yung X yun is yung substance. Okay, so unit weight ng substance X. In this case, water. Ayun, so pwede natin gamitin, makuha yung pressure dito. Tapos, makukuha na natin yung height pag nilagay natin dito yung pressure. Okay. So, yung una nga natin masolve is yung P equals F over A. So, let's try it. P equals 6,500 newtons over yung area. So, when you have this kinds of problem, yung buong area na yan is pi over 4 times yung d squared ng malaki ito, 700 yung outer, 700 squared minus itong maliit, 20 squared na diameter. Actually, gawin natin siyang meters, no? Gawin natin siyang meters para newtons over m squared or pascals yung magamit natin. So, pi over 4 times 0.7 squared minus 0.02 squared. Ayan. So, P natin is 6,500. Ito. P equals 16903.71 pascals. So, i-replace na natin itong nakuha nating P dito sa isa pang equation for P. So, P is 16903.71 equals yung unit weight ng water, as we know, is 9.81 kPa. So, since kPa siya, tapos kailangan natin is yung pascals, times lang natin yun sa 1,000. Kasi nga, 1 kPa equals 1,000 PA. So, 9.81 times 1,000 is 9,810, no? 9,810 PA times yung height. So, ayan. Makuha na natin yung height. 16903.71 divided by 9,810 is 1.723. Yan. Meters. So, since nakuha natin yun, pwede natin itong makuha yung YX equals M over V. So, the reason why kailangan natin height, kasi yung formula, kapag kinukuha natin yung volume, is yung cross-sectional area times yung height. Okay? So, since yung sinasabi nga, yung first, andito lang siya sa top, dito lang. Yung kunin lang natin volume is yung nandito lang rin sa top. Okay? So, YX, 9,810 nga. 9,810 yung unit weight ng water. 9,810, Tapos, yung mass in newtons and yung volume. So, pi over 4 times 0.02 squared times yung height 1.723 meters. So, ayan. Makuha natin. So, 9, 8, 10 times pi over 4 times 0.02 squared times 1.723. Yun, 5.31. M is 5.31 newtons. Ganyan na. Yan. So, ayun na. Yun yung mass natin.